Looking good, looking good. Woo! Here we are, Malachi and I, kayaking for the first time at Elk Island. Woo-wee! Doing good back there.
Good.
Yeah, you think your mom's doing really good?
Better than I.
Oh, why thank you. Anyways, there's my brother. We're at Elk Island, trying out some kayaking for the first time. Somebody over there's parasailing. Ooh, nice. It's nice but windy. Not too bad. Nice day. There's my brother. You gotta turn us around, Kai.
Yep.
Go catch up to Uncle Jay.
Okay.
Whoops.